Can this be called an unboxing video when it's not in a box? All right. Well, ooh, a box within a bag. A window bird feeder. Although it's smaller than I thought, because we have a window bird feeder that's so old it won't hold up anymore, so we wanted to replace it. So we've got this window bird feeder. This is an ad. So let's take a look. What do we got here? Oh, it's got tape. Tape closing this box. I don't have my Leatherman on me. Normally I don't wear my Leatherman when I'm wearing pajamas. There we go. Wrapped in bubble wrap. That's good since it's a plastic container. Two bubble wraps. Container keeps getting smaller. And it comes with 3 of these backings, which is nice because if you damage one or one's not working, then you've got a replacement one, right? Plugs will go in here, it'll go in the window. Birds have a nest up there with about 5 eggs. Oh, Mr. Bee, go away. I am not a flower. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that backwards. Put these in here, slide them up. Mr. B, we're going to put this on the corner of our window. We can watch them. Put it here. Push these in. Oh my goodness.